How to create auto layout grids for responsive web design in Figma. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new update in Figma that's going to make your life a lot easier. With this update, you can create responsive layouts super fast. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Once you're inside Figma, press A to create a new artboard. Choose any frame you want and set the width and height to equal values. Now select the frame, go to the Layout section and click on the fourth icon. Here, I'm setting the grid to 6 by 6. After the grid is applied, take the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle anywhere on the grid. Adjust it so it snaps perfectly into the grid lines. Now I'll duplicate this rectangle once more and align it properly. Then I'll duplicate it again and move it downward. I'll resize it a bit and position everything cleanly inside the grid. Next, press Command-Shift-K to place images. Select a few images and drop each one into the boxes. The best part is, this entire layout is fully responsive. Because of the new grid system, everything adjusts cleanly and you can build responsive designs in just a few simple steps. That's all for the video.